Hi there. Do you want to create an online store with zero effort? Imagine your own e-commerce website, 100% powered by Google Sheets. Introducing Store.link, we help you create your online store in seconds, only by using Google Sheets. The idea behind Store.link is really simple. Let's say you are someone managing your product inventory in a spreadsheet. Usually when setting up your online store, you have to painfully add each product one by one. By doing this, managing products over the long term is also difficult. But with Store.link, you can effortlessly create your online store from a spreadsheet. That's right. Simply add your products, descriptions, and stunning photos directly in a Google Sheet, and watch them magically transform into a beautiful online store. So head over to Store.link, sign up for free, and start building your online store today.